So yes,
Okay.
tell me something about yourself.
Okay, sir. My name is Sunidhi Kumari, as I am from class 8 and I am a student. I am from Jharkhand and my hobby is to reading newspaper or to singing, dancing, etc.
Okay.
So just tell me a brief introduction of you.
My name is Sunil. I am from Delhi. Talking about my educational qualification, I am a graduate. When it comes to my hobby, I love listening to music. That's it.
Okay, that's great. So what are you doing nowadays?
These days, I give English spoken classes. Moreover, I have a YouTube channel. I like to upload some English conversational videos on my YouTube channel.
Okay, that's great. So why are you learning English? What are the basic things
Hmm.
that you are learning English?
Okay, I'm learning English to have excellent communication skills. I'm learning English to improve my own personality. And I feel if you speak English very well, people respect you. In order to earn that respect, I'm working on my communication skills.
Okay, that's great.
Hmm.
So what are the tips for learning English?
Pardon?
What are the tips for learning English?
English can be learned in many ways. First, you need to know your requirement, what your level is. If you want to learn English from basics, so you should always go with simple things. You need to form simple sentences. You just need to focus on tenses a bit and modals a little bit. And
Okay, sir.
make sure you also take care of the verbs. You know all the verb forms, like we already know. Verbs have been categorized into parts, regular verbs or irregular verbs.
Okay, sir.
And the most significant thing is that you should practice every day, or you should work on your listening part.
Okay, sir. So, sir,
Hmm.
is regular speaking can improve ourselves or randomly any day we can do conversation?
Again, I would say it relies on us. If we are able to get people who we can interact easily, then it is the wisest way to do it. Or if you feel you do not have anyone to have a word with, you can do it by yourself. You can record yourself, you can sit in front of the mirror, you can go for the talking, or you can watch some YouTube videos, or there are some applications you can use them, and you can talk to yourself, give topics to yourself. You can be your best friend and tell yourself, okay, today I'm going to tell you my daily routine. I'm also going to tell you what I did after 5 years, or this weekend, what I will do. So you can do it anyway.
Okay, sir. So, what's your journey about English?
My journey for English has been fruitful. I learned a lot of things and I enjoyed my journey. I learned this language from very basics. I started learning this language in 2012 after doing BTech. Then I realized the most important thing in life is English. And from there I worked on it. Bit by bit I improved, and whatever level I have today is just because of this journey. And still I feel I do not know so many things. I still need to work on multiple things.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. About yourself, what kind of person you are?
Yeah. What kind of person I am?
Yes.
Yes, I am. I'm a student and now I'm reading class 8. So
Hmm.
that's.
Okay, so tell me something about your locality. What location you are from?
Yeah, I am from Jharkhand. And where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. I know that you are from Jharkhand, but I want to know which part of Jharkhand are you from?
Hazaribagh.
Okay. You are from
Okay.
Hazar, right?
And
I am from Jahangirpuri.
okay.
Yes. Hmm. And after 12th class, what course will you go for?
Now I haven't chooses because I am in class 8 and I am not knowing now this thing.
Okay, so how did you get to know about English? That you should work on your communication skills.
Okay. When I was in class 7, my teacher has forced to learn the English languages because
Mm,
it is very important language as but I thought that it is not easy language or it is very hard language. I can't learn it and English is not important language. But my teacher is forced to learn the grammar. Then I focused on the grammar. Then like that I have reached here.
mm. So did he not tell you that what you could do after 12th class? After 12th class, you can become an engineer, you can become a doctor, you can become a
Yeah,
businesswoman.
I thought to be engineer only.
Why you choose to be an engineer? Why not other professions?
Yeah, I want to choose engineer as I want to help to the people, and as the doctor, I don't like to do like a surgery or operation anything. So that's why I didn't like in the doctor sector. I like
Hmm.
in the engineer only.
And what about government jobs? Will you not think of becoming a teacher, or will you not think of becoming a nurse or a doctor?
No,
Is hmm,
I don't want to become.
a doctor?
My cousin has said to be like that become teacher. I will become teacher, but I didn't like means I only want to go in the engineer sector.
All right. So could you please tell me a bit about your family members?
Yeah, I have 5 members in my family, and I have three siblings. One mother, father. My mother is a housewife, and my father is doing government job. I have
Okay.
two brothers and one me.
Who is very close to you?
Yeah, my parents only.
Hmm. So are you the eldest one or the youngest one in your family?
Yeah, I am the eldest one in my siblings only.
Hmm. Okay. So do people speak English the locality you come from? Do you get the environment
Yeah.
of it?
No, here not, but in my school, when I go school, there the teachers speak to me with English, and
Hmm.
the students also speak to English. So that's why I practice there only. And in my home, I also practice with my parents and my siblings because he also used to speak in English. So as like I just practice my English.
And what is your mother? Is she a housewife or does she
Yeah,
work?
she is a housewife.
Okay. So whenever you try to speak English with your family members, what do you generally talk? What kind of topics you people pick?
Not generally like what we done daily only basis like this only what are you doing and what's your homework like this only.
Okay. Or do you like going to school?
Yeah, I like go to a school.
What is the reason? Why do you want to go to school?
Yeah, the reason is the that I want to study and I don't want to live in the home because I feel very bored in the school in the home, so that's why I want to go to a school.
Okay. So what's your favorite subject that you can study at least
Yeah,
for
English.
4 or 5 hours
English,
without breaks? Hmm.
English
Hmm.
as I study in the school also and I practice in the Skype also. Then,
How did you get to know about me that you could interact with me?
yeah, I have seen in the your channel, so that's why I want to contact to you.
Hmm. Okay. So do you also follow other YouTubers?
Yeah, no, not
No.
now.
Okay. Or did you have an opportunity to talk to any other YouTubers?
Yeah, I will definitely.
Okay. Did you not do it before?
No, like only the Skype friends I want to like to talk.
Okay. Being a girl, how is your life? Are you happy being a girl?
Yeah, I am very happy.
Do you also know cooking?
Yeah, I'm knowing cooking. I know study, cooking, everything I know.
And did you cook anything today? It's Sunday and you must be free from education.
Yeah, but tomorrow is my final examination, so that's why today I didn't cook it.
And did you have your breakfast?
Yeah,
So what did you have for your breakfast?
in the breakfast I eat chapati and vegetable only.
So what are your favorite dishes?
My favorite dish is rice and curry.
Okay, well done. So if you are served rice 3 times a day, will you eat it 3 times a day or will you be bored?
Yeah, I will be bored because I don't like to eat three times.
Okay. So any dish, you tell me any dish that you can eat throughout the week. Every day you can have it with a lot of happiness, with a lot of excitement.
Fast food?
Okay. Well, tell me one. Momos, French fries, chow mein, anything.
Yeah, momos or chowmin. This
Okay.
momos or
Why do you like chow mein and momos very much? Is
yeah,
there any specific reason?
because
Hmm.
the taste of that is very delicious, so that's why I want to like to eat that thing.
Okay. Have you ever tried making momos or chow mein at home?
Yeah, chowmin I had tried, but that
Hmm.
was not. I didn't cook it very well. Chowmin.
Uh,
I didn't try it momos.
okay. Okay. But trying will teach you that you can become a good chef, because this is what you are doing. You are making an effort to learn this language. Initially you might not be perfect, but bit by bit you will be proficient in it.
So what's your timetable? What you do daily?
Daily, from Monday to Friday, I'm very busy with my English classes. I'm also a teacher of English. I give English spoken classes. So from morning 9 to 12 at night, I'm very busy. And then
Oh,
I have my dinner and then I go to bed.
okay,
This
sir.
is
So today is Sunday, and what you did from the morning?
Sunday, yes. Whenever it is Sunday. I think I greet my day with a smile. I wake up a bit late, and on Sunday I am exuberant. And I know
Okay,
I'm free from education, I'm free from teaching, I'm free from study. I don't take any pressure, and I do what I feel like doing. I like to sleep a lot on Sundays.
okay, that's great. Do you like to visit?
What? Do you want me to go out?
Yeah, do you like to visit anywhere?
Now I'm okay to stay home. I always stay home at the weekend because weekend is the time where I can disconnect myself from other things. I disconnect myself from social media. I disconnect myself from my students for some time. I stay home, I sleep, I spend time with my family members. I prepare some content for my YouTube videos. This is what I do. And I'm okay doing this. I'm happy doing this.
Okay, sir.
What about you? Do you like to go out at the weekend?
Oh. No, I didn't like to go
Why?
because there is so much pressure of a study, and yeah, sometimes I used to go when I feel bored.
So, yes, you should not take any pressure. Enjoy that. The more you enjoy, the easier it's going to be for you. If you take
Yeah,
any because of that pressure, you will not be able to do well or do good with your studies. If you want to do good with your studies, you should enjoy it. You should not take any pressure. In pressure, we always make mistakes, and we are not able
yeah.
to to have good things.
So after learning, how do you feel?
After learning, I'm always confident, and I feel I can talk to anyone. I can say anything. I can express my thoughts effortlessly. This is what I feel. I am confident. Yes.
Okay, so after making this video, how do you feel?
After making this video, I'll be delighted. I'll be pleased that I talked to a girl who was speaking very well and who was just in 8th standard. And I would say once you come to my age or once you pass 12th class, if you continue speaking, if you continue learning this language, you will be a fluent speaker.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Or anything you want to ask?
So one more question I want to ask, that is discipline is important in our life?
This is one of the important questions. Yes, it is. If you want to be successful in life, discipline is very important. Discipline
Okay.
plays a very important role, because if you do everything timely, you are going to get good result in that. If you don't, so you will not be successful. Discipline is very important for everything. If you want to be a good businessman, if you want to be the best teacher, you need to be disciplined. So discipline is very important.
Okay, so if we not maintain our discipline, so what will happen?
You know that if you practice English irregularly, you will not have the confidence, and you will
Yeah.
not improve at any cost. If tomorrow is your exam, if you don't study every day, so you are not going to pass with flying colors. And what if you fall ill by chance? It happens, students usually fall ill before their exam. And they also do one thing, they always study before their exam, but the same day if it happens, you will not be able to get good scores, good marks. But if you study throughout the year, then you can manage. For one day off or 2 days off, you can manage. So that's why discipline is very important. You need to be disciplined, wake up on time, do everything timely.
Yeah, that's great, sir.
Hmm. Or do you feel you are disciplined, or do you have a problem with this?
No, I feel it. I am a disciplined.
Okay,
I
could you please?
maintain every. I
Mhm.
used to maintain everything in our life.
Hmm. Okay, so can you tell me about your daily routine? How you feel you are disciplined?
Okay. I usually get up early in the morning at 4. After that, 4 to 7 o'clock, I used to study, self study. After 7 o'clock, I go for fresh up because there is a school at 9. So that's why I went to school at 9. Then I came to school from the 5 in the evening. After that, I used to do the lunch
Hmm.
because in the, yeah, I used to do the lunch, and after that, I used to practice English in the
Hmm.
Skype. Then I go for the homework, and after that I does my dinner, and then I went for sleep.
Okay, good. Do you also take English classes? Is there anyone who can correct you when you make mistakes?
No.
Okay, but you have that fluency, you do have good confidence, but the problem is that there are few mistakes that you can work on. But there should be someone who can tell you, okay, this is your mistake. You should not do that. You should take care of that. So,
Yes.
shall I tell you what are the mistakes you have, and then you can work on them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever we say used to, it means that that has no connection with now. Earlier you did it, earlier it happened. So you should say, I do it. Use first form of the verb with present tense.
Okay, sir.
I wake up at this time. You should not say used to. Used to in the sense whatever you did in second class. Now you don't do that.
Yeah,
Earlier
yeah.
you must have used a pencil. Now you use a pen. Do you use a pen now?
Yeah.
So when you used a pencil, that has become used to. But now you use a pencil. You should say I use a pencil like that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, this is
Sir,
the feedback.
so
Mhm.
yes, sir, yes, sir, speak.
Yes, so I'm saying this is the feedback. You just need to work on that, and you know how to form sentences. You have a little bit knowledge of subjects. What can come in the form of subject? What can come in the form of verbs? So you have the knowledge of it, but you are a little bit confused when to use used to and when to use first form.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
thank you.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.